Now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Clear skies tonight, still cool, and some patchy, shallow, locally dense fog developing late tonight, early tomorrow morning. As winds go very light to calm over the area, and we see a little inversion develop. That's a little lid pretty close to the ground, and fog likes to form just underneath that lid and kind of hug the surface. It'll be most common in low-lying and areas near water. Of course, the heat to the west. Here's the big ridge, the clockwise spin with a few storms here, and you can see the clouds and some of this heat on the move eastward. So again, this is a hotter forecast. We're going to see temperatures kind of consistently above normal for several weeks here, late August into early September. But we've got Hurricane Genevieve here, which will kind of move up here into this cold water off the coast of California. It will fall apart, but its old circulation, a little remnant moisture, will move up into the plains, and then this down here, which will likely become a hurricane, will move and make landfall somewhere on the Gulf Coast. That could move northward here as well, and that may enhance the storms in parts of the plains and western Corn Belt next week. And then we'll watch this. This could become a hurricane and actually hit South Florida and then possibly northwest Florida down the road. And what that may do is kind of hold up the front that's producing all these showers and storms, and either it's going to stall over our area and give us 2 or 3 days of showers and storms off and on, or it'll keep the front just north of us and we're going to add another couple of days of intense heat. It'll do one or the other, but regardless, we're eventually going to get some storms in here that'll be a little more widespread later next week. We are 54 to 59 tonight. Whether you're headed to school tomorrow or you're doing remote learning, any patches of that shallow fog burn off. Pretty hot afternoon, sunshine 89, but the humidity still nice and low with 85 to 90 doing it viewing area wide. Humidity creeps up a little bit Saturday, partly cloudy, 89, not much wind. It'll feel like 91 by afternoon with highs generally 85 to 90 over the area. Here's 18 PRECISIONCAST again Saturday, kind of partly cloudy here. Here's Sunday, some scattered storms coming in, about 35 to 40% coverage, and especially later on in the day. This is a front trying to come in, but kind of falling apart as it gets here. And it's just hot next week. And then we watch the front sneaking southward, the old moisture from Hurricane Genevieve, the remnants of whatever's going to make landfall down towards Texas, and this is going to be heavy rain and storm action here. And then we'll watch and see what happens with this potential hurricane that makes landfall in Florida as well. A lot of moving parts to this forecast, but one thing that's not moving is the heat. The heat rolls on, 90s for multiple days next week, and it's looking like it's probably going to end up making the classification of a heat wave, because we got a 91 Sunday, Monday, a 92 Tuesday, 93 Wednesday, 94 on Thursday. Better storm coverage coming later Thursday.
All right, thank you so much, Chad. Schools across